Yo guys, what up? Thanks for watching again. This video is about the installation of front bumper lip. I bought a universal one from easylip.com. This is the easylip Pro. It's like a soft foam kind of something. I will show you when I'm installing it. But first I'm going to do a little photo shoot with a friend of mine. He has a nice Citroën, a French car. So he will be here in a second, and then we're going for a little photo shoot. After that I'm going to install the easylip Pro on my front bumper, and you will see how I do it. So catch you in a second. So we're on the location. I'm with my buddy. I shot some photos from my car earlier and he arrived. So we'll see how that goes. Here it is, a nice C2 Citroën. Don't know how it's called in English, but it's French. And we shoot some nice photos. It's a nice location here. The fence were open, so we could sneak in. I can jump on here to make some photos. It will be nice. There he goes. Photo shoot was a success. And now I'm walking to my own car. I'm going to shoot that one as well. I will try to film something of shooting my car. I don't know if it's good or all, but you will see. You will see. Here's my car. And I really need to put the lip on, but I will do that after. It's not even washed yet. It's like shiny. I love this thing. So we're going on this road. I hope it will hold. I hope I won't hit my bumper, because it will suck ass. It's a nice location here. I wanted to try and shoot some photos around here. Like this. A little bit in reverse. Let's try this. Opa. With this mountain kind of thing, hill. I want to try this out. It's nice. Let's see. Okay, what I want is to go up here. Like with the nice orange leaves. It's more orange than on the camera. Need to go from there, downhill, go here. I will make it. guys, what up? I'm back from the photo shoot you just saw. I can show you some pictures. So, now you see some pictures. But the reason of this video is my bumper lip install. Here's my car, and it really needs a bumper lip. So I have a bumper lip. It's this one. I know it's kind of weird, but we will see how this turns out. This lip comes from easylip.com. I don't know, I heard something about it. Toyota Celica owner has used this one and it's very pleased. So I will try this one. I will take the bumper off and install this. And let's see how this turns out. First we begin to get the bumper off, and then we will try to put this on. It's really weird though. So I got the bumper off. It's right here. And I need to clean this all up. See, I can see I scraped here already. But yeah, scrape life. So we need to put these on like this, and we will see how that goes. I'm gonna try to dry clean it with a dry towel. So here is the bumper. I put it up so I can work underneath it. And now I will get all the tape free and try to eyeball it like it's how to sit. So it's on only with tape. I will try to put some self-tappers in, but I like it so far. And I will show you the result tomorrow because it's getting dark. So you will see it. But it's very nice. I only need to trim the edges because it's too long. It's universal, so everyone can use it. I like it.
Alright. Seen a lot of shit. Yeah. Seen a lot of shit. I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was not a though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see a white boy, but my daddy a Negro. Half-breed motherfucker, grip the mic and heat flow. I just wanna spread love, they want me to bleed slow. I just wanna keep the peace and help people. Give some of this money that I'm making to the people. So if you hating on me, goddamn you evil. And just don't understand, cause I'm flyer than Knievel. Been through a lot of shit, but I keep it on the deep low. Never bustin' in them streets, but I keep it G though. I ain't in the fairy tales, I'm just me, ho.